So as you can see, this is what's in the box. We have the flanges here for the little screws here for the suction points. We have plugs for the suction points. We have these flanges here for, or connectors for airlines, air tubes. We have the faceplate, we have the gripper, we have different sizes cups, as you can see here, and we have extenders. And last but not least, we of course have nuts, bolts, and the tools you need to mount the gripper and its accessories with. So if we start with the gripper here, as you can see, it has the interface like any of our other tools, our quick changer interface. It gets powered up through the flange here. So if I'm to connect it, just like any of our other tools, it gets powered on and now ready to be used. On the other side here, you see the face of the gripper. As you can see, there are two lines here that indicates that these 2 points here, these two and these two, are connected. So the way that we change from using the robot as one channel or two channels is by using this faceplate. So as you can see, the faceplate here is also connected. The holes here are connected, and you can see the lines. So it has a different outcome whether you mount the faceplate like this and connect all the areas inside of the faceplate, or if you mount it like this. So it's an easy way to kind of set up whether you want to use one or two zones. Of course, in the software, you can choose what vacuum level you want on each zone, but in order to make the interface of the actual suction cups work in the way you want it, you need to determine whether you want to run it in this setting or in this setting. Pretty simple, straightforward, no biggie on that. You can of course also just not mount the faceplate and then add whatever suction cups you want to the gripper. They screw right in and has a little seal. Now it's ready to go. As mentioned, we also have extenders. It comes in the box, 2 pieces. You are also, if you want additional extenders, you can buy them as a spare part. And this also fits straight on the flange. Oh, the threading here. Okay. You get the picture. Okay, here we go. Then, of course, as the VG10, if you don't want to use a specific vacuum point here, you have plugs where you can plug the point. And here, as something we did not offer for the VG10, is the standard mounting for a vacuum tube or vacuum line, just like you're used to using on a normal customized standard like a vacuum gripper. You can then add this if you want to build a custom faceplate and simply pull the line here to whatever faceplate design you would want. As an example of a custom faceplate, we created this little face here, and we wanted an angled grip. So basically, we mount this on the gripper like that, and now we pull a line, our vacuum tube, from here and out to the vacuum cup that will be installed on here. So again, there are infinite ways of designing this face of the gripper. It's up to your imagination, or up to the customer's imagination. We try to provide as many, I wouldn't say gadgets, but as many parts as possible out of the box, so that the customer and you have a lot of possibilities just out of the box without any special part needing production. So yeah, that's our VCG10. If you do have questions, you're welcome to enter the questions in the chat box. Even though it is a recorded webinar, we will still receive those questions and we'll answer them back on email. Thank you for listening in, and again, if you have questions, send it to us. We'll be happy to help. So have a really nice day, and take care.